Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to prevent microphone access on Gmail. In this updated guide, we will show you the steps to take on your Android device to ensure that Gmail does not have access to your microphone. To begin, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, navigate to Applications and search for the Gmail application. Once you have located Gmail, tap on it to access the app settings. Next, look for the Permissions tab within the Gmail settings. This is where you can manage what permissions the app has access to on your device. Tap on Permissions to view the various permissions that Gmail is currently granted. To prevent Gmail from accessing your microphone, simply select the option that says Don't Allow. By doing this, you are revoking the microphone access permission for the Gmail app. It's important to regularly review and manage app permissions on your device to ensure your privacy and security. By following these steps, you can take control of your microphone access on Gmail and protect your personal information. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.